Hey, this is JDW Hoops 24 YouTube. I'm doing a bike check. My Eastern Nitrous Battery 2011 has it's almost all stock except the has a red spuntic stem. Red spuntic stem, ODIs. And this bike is pretty good, but it's only a 19, so it's kind of small. So you can't really like ride it, because it's kind of small. I'm thinking about getting a new bike because this bike is kind of small. Alright, thank you. So, like, subscribe, everything, please, YouTube. Okay.